Welcome! In front of me I have WITHINGS Scanwatch Light, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the WITHINGS HealthMate application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the app, tap on the devices icon in the top right corner, and here you should see your Scanwatch Light on the list of my devices. Now tap on the settings icon or option under the watch, then scroll down and tap on the button called Disassociate this product. Then tap on OK. The watch will disappear from the devices page and it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings. Once you see this, close the app, open the settings on your watch, or rather on your phone, my bad. So let's open the settings. In settings, find the Bluetooth settings or connected devices and tap on it. And here you should see a list called previously connected devices. And on it you may see Scanwatch Light BF. If you see it, tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on forget and tap on forget device to remove it. And then close the settings. And at this point the watch is unpaired from your phone. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.